This is what's going on out here. Just got out of the grocery store. This shit off my head, man. Drives me fucking bananas. Masked up, gloved up. We ain't playing out here. Let me tell you what's going on. Crazy week, man. Craziest week of my life, maybe. Okay? Get your nose running under there, man. Where do I start, man? 80,000 subscribers, folks. We ain't playing out here, man. Whew. Where do I start, man? Lost my father back in December. My uncle right before that. They were buddies for years and years and years. They're chilling out right now together. Then I get a phone call from my friend. He says, pray for my brother. He's in the hospital. He might not make it. Very good friend of mine. I mentioned him in the story times, my friend Jerry. I told the story about when he was bouncing, when we were bouncing together, and he threw the guy, and the guy like did a flip in the air. Anyway, he didn't make it. Terrible. Terrible. My heart goes out to them, their families. Next, the great Corey Fresh. Guys, you see the picture I posted in the community section? The picture says it all, man. Corey was the life of the party. Corey would have gave you the shirt off his back. Corey came from nothing. Zero. Okay, when I tell you zero, I'm talking zero. Kid on the street was selling flowers, quilts, comforters on the street corner. Okay? Built a tremendous florist. Had 3 locations. Did phenomenal. Love him, man. Best buddy in the world, man. Great, 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 great dude. We lost him on Tuesday night. Next, of course I'm going to do this without getting choked up. Woo! My boy, Superman. We lost Superman. I'm not playing, guys. My brother-in-law would have busted into a fire in Harlem like it was nothing. Hose man, first guy in. Okay? If you were in a burning building, you wanted him to pull up. You understand what I'm telling you? That's who you wanted pulling up. Superman. Got sick from 9/11. Was struggling for 7 years. Okay? This is my sister's husband. And fought it out, man, like a beast. When I tell you this guy had a 19-inch neck without a stitch of fat on him, forearms, 18-inch forearms, hands that could have punched through a brick wall. His nickname was Brick. Stephen Brickman, okay? FDNY in Harlem. The house he was in was called the Fire Factory. My kids went to the Christmas parties that they would have there, hanging out on the fire truck, walking around. The busiest house in the city, arguably, because a lot of guys out there going, oh, my house, my house. You know, I'll say it. You guys can yell at me if you see me on the street, you firefighters. Nothing but respect for you guys, man. Best guys in the world. They really are. All of his friends, you know, he'd throw a party out at his house in Sag Harbor. Be 100 firemen there, man. Everybody just having a great time. You know, having their beers, telling stories, just, you know, messing with each other, busting balls. All good dudes, man. And, you know, it's a shame because we couldn't even have one of those fireman funerals that you know we would have had, man. They would have blocked the streets off. But we're going to do something really big. I guarantee you we're going to have 500 guys. Maybe 1,000. I don't even... You just don't know with these guys. This guy was friends with everybody, okay? And, yeah, man, it was sad, but my sister's doing good. My nephews are doing good, and they're going to keep doing good. And, you know, we're all there for them. Neutral Drop family's there for them also. I get a message from another one of my friends that his dad passed away in his sleep last night. A friend of ours, Essie. Our hearts go out to all these guys, man. You know, it's crazy. And I know a lot of you guys out there are going through situations. One of the neutral droppers, Brian, good guy, man. He always in the comments, always good stuff. He lost his dad. I believe he lost his grandfather as well. You know, and all you guys have your stories, man. You all have your situations, man. And, you know, me and Stuntman didn't experience a lot of death until recently. And it's just like bang, 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 one after another. And it doesn't make it easier that it's happening a lot. But it's going on out here. We're doing better. We're out there with the masks on. We're doing our thing. But Thursday, we are going on Hoonigans. They better be ready for neutral drop, because we're coming correct. I'll tell you that right now. We always do, as you guys know. We're going to be going ballistic. I don't know what we're going to do, but you know it's going to be off the hook. It's going to be crazy. I believe it's going to be 3 o'clock Eastern time. I'm not sure. I'm going to get you guys an exact time. I'm going to post it in the community. I'll probably put up another video to tell you guys exactly when it's going to be. But we've been putting up old videos from 15, 20 years ago that you guys see. And, you know, it's been a little tough doing videos and all this with all this nonsense going on with this corona and all this other stuff. But, yeah, man, we're going to beat this. We're going to beat it hard. You guys have a lot of, you know, everybody out there is affected. And I remember my son told me that, and I said in another video that everybody's going to know somebody, they said, by the time this is over. I'm hoping that that's not true, because I think we're doing good. I haven't really been too crazy with the news in the last couple of days because I've been with my sister and, you know, trying to get everything organized over there. Just chaos and craziness. And, yeah, man, there's a shout out for Quinn and Stevie, man. These kids are like way big boys. Although they're young men, they're big boys, man. Big dudes. They get it from their grandfather, I believe. He was about 6 foot and change. Who even knows, man? Big boys. This is a shout out for you guys, man. You guys are going to do just fine. I know it. And we're always a phone call away, you guys. Yeah, but we're going to hit Hoonigans hard. We're going to hit Hoonigans hard, man. They're going to not know what hit them. But we're going to have a lot of fun with them. And let me tell you something. I wasn't going, hey, Hoonigans, look at us, look at us. They found us. They were like mentioning us. People were messaging, yo, the Hoonigans shouted you guys out, man. Hoonigans said one of your lines, blah, 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 blah. It's all good, man. I appreciate them. I really do. We just hit 80,000 subscribers, man. I didn't do this. I don't do this for money, because really at this point the money is peanuts. I'm not doing this for the fame. I'm just doing this because we love doing it. I wanted to show my kids that it could be done, and they're doing great right now. I guess it worked. I hope they pass me like I'm standing still. That's all I want. And, yeah, man, it's all good. You guys are killing it. I love the comments, man. You know, I like to share with you guys what's going on with our families, the good, bad, the ugly. You know what I mean? And I always pin the comments when somebody loses a loved one, or if somebody's asking for help. I pin that comment every time. You know what I mean? There's a lot of great comments I could pin, man. But those are the ones I want to bring out to everybody, because you guys all group together. And together, we could do anything, man. There's a neutral drop family here, man. And I say it from the bottom of my heart. And we're going all the way, folks. We're going all the way. You're going to see us Thursday. Now, we're going to post some other stuff. I'm screaming in here, man. People are looking at me like I'm out of my mind. But that's normal for me, man. I've had screaming conversations on the phone. I'll kill you. Where are you? Where you at? And people looking at me. I'm used to it, man. It's normal for me. Whatever. We're going all the way, folks. We're going to let you guys know exactly what time on Hoonigans. I want you guys to support. I want you guys to be out there ripping it, screaming, yeah, neutral drop, cameraman, stuntman, Junkman, and blunt. We're going to have some fun. I'm going to let you guys know exactly what's going on, man. Be safe out there. Wear your protection, your masks, your gloves, and do everything right, man. Because even when you're doing it right, people are still getting sick. A lot of people I know, man, got sick and they're doing good, but I want to see everybody do good, man. Everyone, just be careful. You know, it's a shame because my mother's in another state. She can't come to see my sister. She wants to get on a plane. I said, Ma, you can't. We love you. We want to see you, but you can't get on a plane. It could be life or death. Not only that, you got to be quarantined for like 2 weeks if you fly, man. It's crazy out there, guys. Crazy, crazy, crazy. But we're going to get through this, and we're going to learn from it. A lot of you younger guys, remember what's going on right now, man. This is like your September 11th. You know, this is history right here, guys. And be safe. So if it ever happens again, you could say, yo, back in 2020, when I was 22, 25, 18, 15, whatever age you guys are, you could say, this is what we had to do. I know, I've been through this, man, because this is how you learn. This is how you grow. This is how you expand yourself and all of your you know, qualities and everything about you. This is what makes you grow in life. You know what I mean? But, and all you older guys, be careful, man. You know what I mean? Watch. Be safe. Make the young kids run the errands. Tell them, go. Wash yourself off. Get them clothes in the wash. Don't come bringing that crap in the house. All right? You guys know. You guys are smart. You're not dummies, man. Just wanted to pass you. I just went into Trader Joe's. Good store, man. Got all my stuff. Got my list from my wife. Anyway, like, comment, subscribe, folks. We're going all the way.